Here we are going to discuss some of the questions that are related to division, and we are going to practice them together so that you guys have better understanding of this concept. So let's read the question. Zara wants to put 335 books in 2 shelves. कितनी shelves में रखना चाहती हैं वो? 2 shelves में. How many books will she put in each shelf if she wants equal number of books in the shelf? अब हमने यहाँ पे actually करना क्या है? We have to divide these books into 2 shelves. Alright, so we are gonna do the division by putting the sign over here. Okay, we'll write the highest number inside, and we're gonna write the other number outside. Now we're gonna start the division. Alright, so we're gonna see the first number from here, and it's 3, and in the table of 2 3 doesn't come, right? तो हम यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे? We're right over here, 2 1s are 2. We're gonna take the smaller number than 3, and that is 2. ठीक है? If we subtract 3 from 2, the answer is 1, and both of these numbers will come down as it is because we have not divided them yet. Alright, so we'll write it as it is like this. Now we are gonna see the first number again, and we can see the first number is 1 and it cannot be divided with 2, so that means we have to take the 2-digit numbers. ठीक है, अब हमें 13 लेना पड़ेगा. So let's write the table of 2 for ourselves. That is 2 2s are 4, right? 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. In this table you guys can see कि 3 कहीं पे भी नहीं आता, इसलिए we took the number 2. And 2 6 are 12, 2 5s are 10, and 2 7s are 14, right? Now you can see कि 16 और 7 के दोनों के दरमियान में जाकर ये नंबर आ रहा 13. So that means we'll take the smaller number, not the 14. 14 is going to be the larger number, so we'll take 12, that is the smaller number. ठीक है, तो हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे जी कि 2 6 ठीक है, हम यहाँ लिख देंगे जी कि 2 6 12 होता है, and then we'll do the subtraction. ठीक है, हम subtract कर देंगे इन numbers को. 13 minus 12 is 1. Alright, and 5 will come down as it is, so we'll write 5 over here. Okay, now we'll look at the table and we can see over here that 2 8s are 16, right? अब ये और इस दोनों numbers में से किसी एक को choose करना है, and we have learned that we always choose the smaller number. So in this case 14 is the smaller number because 14 is smaller than 15. So we'll write over here on the top that here comes the 7, and we'll write over here 14. Okay, so if we do the math and we do the subtraction over here, we can see k15 minus 14 is 1. So that means that 1 is the remainder. ठीक है, we can divide 335 and to 2 shelves, and each shelf will have 167 books on both of these, but one book is going to be remaining, and that cannot be put on the shelf because वो equally divide नहीं होंगी. ठीक है, so that means 1 is the remainder in this question. Let's look at another example, and this time we are going to take a larger number, that is 5-digit number. Okay, let's divide 18,348 by 4. Alright, so before we start, let's just write the table of 4 over here. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. I write the table because I want you guys to revise them as well and memorize them, because in division and in multiplication you will always be needing these tables. Alright, we have 20, we have 6 24, 4 sevens 28, 4 eights 32, and 4 nines 36, and for tens we all know that it's 40, right? अच्छा जी, अब हम जल्दी से यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करेंगे हमारा डिवीजन वाला, राइट, एंड विल पुट द बिगर नंबर इनसाइड, और हम इसको डिवाइड करेंगे, या तो फर्स्ट डिजिट को लेंगे इफ द फर्स्ट डिजिट इज स्मॉलर, इन दिस केस यहाँ 1 है तो हम 2 डिजिट्स को इकट्ठा डिवाइड करेंगे, दैट इज 18 को डिवाइड करेंगे. नाउ विल लुक ओवर हियर इन द टेबल कि 18 कहीं पर आ रहा है. 18 is not coming anywhere, but we have 16 over here and we have 20 over here. ठीक है, so in this case हम कौन सा नंबर लेंगे जो स्मॉलर है, और स्मॉलर नंबर कौन सा है, 16. so we'll write over here 4 4s 16. alright, और हम इसको subtract कर देंगे. 18 minus 16 is 2, and the rest of the numbers will come down as it is. ठीक है, right away 3, 4 and 8. Now we have a number 2, that is the first number and it is actually smaller, तो हम 2 को divide नहीं कर सकते. we're gonna take the first two digits as well. ठीक है, तो 4 को हम करते हैं divide, and 4 के टेबल में हम देखेंगे 23 कहाँ पर आता है. so we'll look over here and we can see that 4 6 are 24, but it is larger than 23, right? It's bigger than 23. And then we have another number that is 4 5s are 20, so that means we are going to take the smaller number and we're going to write 20. okay, so we'll write this one on the top, और हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे 4 5s are 20. we're going to subtract it. now 23 minus 20 is 2, 2 से कट हो जाएगा, and 3 minus 0 is 3, and the both of these number will come down as it is. ठीक है, इसी तरह हम देखेंगे जी के 34 को हमने अब करना है डिवाइड. 4 के टेबल में 34 कहाँ पर आता है, 4 के टेबल में 38 आता है, सॉरी 32 आता है और 36 आता है. so what we are gonna do is we are gonna find the smaller number, और इस केस में 32 is the smaller number. so we're gonna write over here that 4 8s are 32. ठीक है, इस केस में ये सब्ट्रैक्ट होता है. 4 minus 2 क्या होता है, 2, and the 8 will come down as it is. okay, now we have number 28 and we have to divide it on 4. we can see over here that 4 7s are 28, so we're just gonna write over here 7, and we're gonna write 28 over here, and when we subtract this number you can see the 0 as the remainder. ठीक है, तो हमारे पास रिमाइंडर क्या रह जाता है, 0. दैट मीन्स दैट ये completely डिवाइड हो जाता है, और हमारा आंसर क्या आता है, the answer is 4587. so this is how you can do the division of 5-digit number with single digit number. I hope you guys understood it. Practice it more and more by yourself so that it's easier for you to do the division.